Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to chat with Meta AI on WhatsApp. So it's actually pretty simple. So before we get started though guys, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all just open up your WhatsApp application if you haven't already, and here under the ask Meta AI or search bar, just type in whatever you want to ask. So I'm just gonna write hey, so I'm gonna write something like this: hey, how are you Meta AI? And then I'm gonna tap on the search terms below ask Meta AI. So I'm just gonna tap on this, and then it's going to give me this prompt. So I'm just gonna click on continue, and as you can see guys, now I'm talking with WhatsApp Meta AI. So I'm just gonna ask him some questions. So as you can see guys, it's working properly. I'm gonna ask him one more question. So as you can see guys, it works the same just like ChatGPT. So yeah guys, this is how you talk with Meta AI on WhatsApp. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.